what's happening, guys? Welcome back to the Reverend. It's your boy Mickey Mac, as always. Today, I'm going to be going over a portable charger by Anker. Let's jump right into it, shall we? Taking a look at the front of the box, it says lightweight with plenty of power. It says it's good for 92 hours, I'm assuming on a full charge. Recharge with micro USB and USB-C. There's what the portable charger looks like. And this is the PowerCore Metro Essential 20,000. Light and compact, high capacity portable charger. Taking a look at the side now, gives some specs. This is a 20,000 milliamp capacity portable charger. PowerCore is compatible with phones, tablets, music players, and other USB charged devices. And now taking a look at the back, the choice of 30 million plus happy users, fast charging via leading technology, 18-month hassle-free warranty, ultralight 20,000 milliamp portable charger, simultaneously charge 2 USB-A devices, and safe and speedy charging for small devices. Now here's a little diagram it gives you. It says choose your input, micro USB, USB-C. This has 3 advanced technologies. Power IQ adapts charging output to enable full speed charging. Voltage boost compensates for cable resistance to keep charging fast. Multi-protect ensures total protection for you and your devices. Well, that's good to know. So now for what's inside the box, you get your portable charger, micro USB cable, and a user manual. It says Anker on the bottom. You get this very nice black pattern on it. Here's your button. As you can see, you have 2 lights that are on when you press the button, indicating this has about 50% battery. At the top here are all your ports. You have 2 USB-A ports, a micro USB input, and a USB-C input. But next up after this video, probably going to charge this bad boy up and charge my devices with it and see how well it lasts and how it holds up. So that's the Anker 20,000 milliamp portable charger. Also, this is an upgrade. I do have a portable charger, although that's 10,000 milliamps. This is definitely an upgrade because this is double of my last portable charger. But yeah, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, Rumble, at The Reverend, of course. And we got videos coming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. This is your boy Mickey Mac, and I'm out.